Hi, my friends. This is Mrs. Alexander, and today we will learn to write Python code to store value in a variable in TechSmart. And our success criteria and how we're going to know we did this is I can demonstrate how to put a variable names on certain name values to make them easier to remember and use later in using Woolectricity for our project. Let's go look and see what we have. In this exercise, we'll put variable names on certain number value to make them easier to remember and use later. Breeze's parents were farmers. They supplied the Air City with just not food, but also power from the static electricity of their sheep. Charmed by the cute sheep, Splash helped Breeze's mom find the perfect rate of sheep running to get the maximum power. So we're going to quick go look at the code and see what we come up with. Remember, I've not looked at this ahead of time, so I'm not too sure how to make the program run. So I'm going to run the program and see what we get. Press the space bar wherever you want to change the rate of the sheep. Okay, I can do that. Enter new speed for the sheep. Let's try 20. Maybe 20 is not big enough. Oh, this can be a lot of fun to figure out. What's great is when we code it, we'll know exactly the numbers we need. I have a feeling we're going to need something higher than 20. It's either that or we're losing our sheep. But we got a spark. Okay, let's keep going and seeing what else we get to do. Let's go ahead and discuss our features. Here, there is an introduction. Press spacebar to set the sheep speed. The sheep runs and jumps, then restarts. The lightning bolt appears at random heights when the sheep jumps over the pad. There's a zap sound with the lightning bolt. Well, that's kind of cool. We saw that. Ooh, we have some challenges, you guys. Challenge 1. The gauge moves based on how close you are to the ideal power level. Print the rough rate of how many sheep go by based on time. And then print when the user hits ideal power level. That's kind of cool. Let's go look at our code now. I'm excited. We're learning something new. Remember, because we are in CS30 and we're learning about Python, we're going to put everything in our main. Now remember, we're used to putting everything with our characters, so doing dialogue with characters, and that's doing individual to come together like a play, but now we're creating a story. So we have to put everything in its one in the book, but we have to name what the me's and my's are. So let's keep going and see what we have. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Here's our description. Here's our features, and here are the challenges you'll be working on. Let's go look. So we're going to start off with some block coding. It says add before program starts under introduction. So here's the introduction. I'm going to click on it and hit enter because we're going to print. So I'm going to go to code assist to text and grab the print. And I'm going to press the space bar whenever. Okay, here we go. That works. Okay, let's keep going. Oops, too far. Add to before program starts under sheep variables right here. It says to assign sheep speed. So I'm going to highlight sheep speed, Control C. I'm going to come right over here, go Control V, equals, and it's the value of 0. So I'm going to write 0. I'm going to hit enter because now it says animation speed. We're doing the same thing. So Control C And right over here, I'll go to Control V, equals, and we're doing 0 again. Let's keep going. This is a lot of fun. I'm having a blast. Oh, we're adding. So when space key is pressed, so I'm going to key a mouse to when space key is pressed. We're going back to text to print. And then set sheep speed. Okay, go to variables. We're going to say sheep speed. And we need an input. Well, remember light blue is text. So we're looking at the text and grabbing this one right here because we need the puzzle piece input. And we're inputting it as a number. So right here as a text, we got to change it to number. And I'm going to grab a new speed for the sheep. And then we're going to set our animation speed. Variables, grab the set. And we're going to change it to animation speed. And it looks like it's sheep speed divided by 6. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a variable so that I can go into the math and grab the division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And we're doing sheep speed divided by 6. And now we're going to set sheep's run animation speed to animation speed. So we're going to look to set animation speed. So sheep runs animation speed to animation speed. So we're going to go to variables and grab the puzzle piece variable and change it to animation speed. Let's test it out. Okay, so I'm going to do 120 this time. Okay, it worked. Let's keep going, you guys. Add to before program starts underneath sheep variables. So I'm going to come right back up here, sheep variables, start X, Control C it, come right here, hit enter, Control V, equals negative 120. And then right here, start Y, Control C, Control V, equals 310. We can do this. You guys are doing great. Add to every frame under run and jump. Ooh, we're sticking with blocks. So we're going to go to motion, you guys, and grab move me. So we're going to grab the move me, but it's not move me, it's move sheep run. Sheep run by sheep speed. So I'm going to grab a variable, grab the puzzle piece, do the drop down, and grab sheep speed. And we have an if then. So we're going to decisions, you guys. And it's all under the same thing. If sheep's run center X is greater than. So I need to get the greater than, you guys. And we're going to go back to motion and grab center X. Right now it says my center X, but we're going to change it to sheep's runs is greater than 1100. And then we're going to set the X and the Y for the sheep runs to start X and start Y. So let's quick grab our sheep runs because we don't need any my's because we're in a book kind of so that we know who's saying what. And we got to change it to start X and start Y. So I'm going to grab 2 variable puzzle pieces so that I can put in each, and then I'm going to change them. One to X, and that's with the center X, and then the other one to Y because it's with our center Y. We're doing good so far. Let's keep going. Add to every frame, modify conditional under run and jump. So it's wanting an else if. So I'm going to come up just a little. I'm going to the gear to get the else if. There we go. If sheep's run center X greater than, So we're going back to decisions and getting the greater than, and it's greater than 675. Let's go back to motion to get the my center X, so I can say sheep's run. And then we're going to set sheep's run center X. Nope, I need the center Y, you guys. I read it wrong. It's okay. Right there it says Y. But it's sheep's run still. And we're going to make it to start Y. And then we're going to set the animation speed. Excuse me. Set animation speed. And again, it's sheep's run. So right here, grab sheep's run. But we got to do animation speed. So we got to go to variables. I know, I was just there. I could quick wrap this. It's okay. And I'm going to grab animation speed. We're going to keep on going. Add to every frame, modify conditional under run and jump. So we're going to grab another else if. I need to quick go back. Did I nope, that's center X. Let's do this again. We get to add another else if. There we go. And is greater than, so I'm going to go to decision and get greater than again. This time if it's greater than 530, and we're going to motion because we're talking about sheep runs X. And we're going to move the sheep down. Okay, so we're going to move, not me, but sheep run. And we're going to go down by sheep speed. So we're going to grab variables and grab our puzzle piece and do sheep speed. Okay, you guys, let's keep going. We're adding another else if. Remember, we can add as many else ifs as we want. It's just being patient. And we're doing greater than again. And right here, we're going to do 375. And we're going to go back to motion to grab the center. Oh, no, we're just going to move him up. Move me. Oh, I jumped the gun. It is center X again. So right here, I looked at the wrong one. We do need sheep's run center X, you guys. But down here, we're moving sheep run up by sheep speed. So I'm going to grab the sheep run and do up and go to variables and grab and then change it to sheep speed. And then we're going to set sheep's run animation speed to 0. Set. Okay, so we're going to say sheep runs animation speed to 0. 0. Let's go ahead and test this out. Hit space bar. I'm going to say 275 because I cannot remember the numbers I put in. Oh, that is kind of cool. He's running fast. Let's keep going. It looks like we have 2 more sections, you guys. Add to every frame, and the X is greater than 675 conditional section. X is okay. Hide energy icon. Okay. Hide energy icon. I can do that. Okay. In every frame where X is greater than 375, show. Show 370 energy icon. Okay, guys, we can do this. Add to every frame under move the lightning bolt randomly. So right here, set energy. So we're going here. We're going to set Y. So right here where it says my, we're going to do energies icons to a random number. We're going to put in the random numbers as 250 to 375. Okay. Here we go. Let's try this again. Hit spacebar. Enter speed. That's cool. Okay, you guys, let's keep going. We're having a lot of fun. It says assign, add to before program starts sheet variables, sound played. So right here, I'm going to hit Control C, come right over here, and hit Control V equals, no, I think that's how that's done. We're going to keep going and find out. Add to every frame in a 360, in the 675, sound played, Control V equals, no, I can do this. Oh, if sound played is equal to no, okay, so now we're going to 375, and it looks like we're doing an if-then statement, so we're going to go right here to decisions, grab the if-then, bring it down, is equal to, I'm going to grab the equal to, and if we're going to say here is no, we're going to go to variables, we're going to grab the variable because we're going to say sound played, right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and highlight sound played again, Control C, because whenever we see that Python sign and it says assign, we need to type it in. And this time we're going to say yes. And then when that happens, we're going to have the sound play the electricity. Okay, let's check it out, see what happens. Okay, because I did see the electric, hit space bar. I'm going to stick with my 275, you guys. I don't know why or how come, but it sounds right. Look, it's working. That's kind of cool. And now we are on the challenges. This is all about you guys. You guys have fun. Remember, make those mistakes, learn from them, have fun, and remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I will talk to you later. Bye.